Okay, hello guys, so this is the Realme C11 and today I will show you how to pass stock ROM into this phone. Okay, this step can be applied on any other Realme phone. All you need is the custom recovery and also the stock ROM. Okay, so stay tuned and check it out. Okay, hello guys, assalamualaikum. We meet again with Bob. As I told you in the intro, we will try to pass this pawn into the stock ROM. Okay, and currently it's using the custom ROM. It's using the pixel experience. Okay, so thing you need to do is make sure you have the stock ROM. I already have this stock ROM on the pawn and copy to the SD card. Okay, and the second step, make sure you have remove all emails, because sometimes we will get locked in the FRP if you forgot to remove the emails. Okay, now let's try from the Fastboot mode. Okay, make sure you have turn off your pawn, and then it goes to the bootloader mode by pressing the volume down and the power button until you see the screen. Okay, it means that we are in the Fastboot mode. Okay, let's plug in the USB cable. And let's switch the screen. Okay, and this is the steps. Okay, I will include it in my blog, okay, in the description box. Okay, and let's open the terminal. Okay, maybe some of you guys will ask, why do we need to go to the Fastboot again, although we have a custom recovery? Okay, the answer is because sometimes you cannot format the data from the custom recovery, so we're going to wipe all the data from here. Okay, first thing you want to do is type this command, fastboot space -w and fastboot erase user data. Okay, and the custom recovery, this one, and then okay, we're going to use the TWRP. Okay, this one, like usual, fastboot fast recovery, and then reboot again into the bootloader. Okay, for that, again to the recovery. Sorry, I mean now we are going to boot into the custom recovery. Okay, nice. Next step is to place the OZIP file. Okay, this is the OZIP file, stock ROM. Okay, we're using the RMX 2185. Okay, this is for the C11, C15, and C12. And already copy the file into the micro SD. Okay, let's switch the screen and hit the install button. Okay, select storage. I have sorry, the device still zero, still encrypted. Okay, so we need to wipe it again. Okay, so go to the wipe menu right here, select format data and type yes. Okay, hit OK and hit the home button again. It goes to the install, select storage and select where you have the stock ROM. Okay, I put it in the micro SD, and this is the file. Okay, let's select the file, and then make sure you have checked the skip treble compatibility error. Okay, let's swipe it. And now it's passing the file. It takes times because it's quite large, about 3.4 gigabytes, if I'm not mistaken. And I will skip this section. So we're going to save times, okay? And now it's finished. Okay, let's swipe it and hit the home button again. And we want to format the data one more times. Okay, go to the wipe again, format data and type yes. Okay. Then just hit the reboot system. After this, we want to wait until it boots into the Android wizard. Okay. If you don't want to lock your bootloader, this tab is already finished. Okay. But if you want to lock it after it boots into the wizard, we're going to turn off the phone and go back to the bootloader. Okay, let's skip also this section and let's continue. And here we go. Now we are in the home screen. Okay, as I said before, if you don't want to lock your bootloader, the step is already finished. Okay, if you want to lock it, let's continue. The screen. Let's turn off the phone. Just press the power button and power it off. Okay. And then we want to go to the bootloader again. Press the volume down and the power button again. Okay. Let's plug the USB cable. Okay, let's switch the screen again. And where is it? Okay, this is the step if you want to relock your bootloader. Okay. Boot into the Android wizard. Okay, done. Reboot to bootloader, done. And then we want to make sure that the recovery has been replaced with the stock ROM, with the stock recovery. Okay. Okay, let's type this command and hit enter. Fastboot reboot recovery. Okay, this is important because if the recovery still in the custom, like TWRP, and you're locking the device, okay, it will make your phone break. Okay, so you don't want to do that. Okay. Okay, you can see now we are in the stock recovery, so it's safe to lock the device. Then let's select the language and let's power it off. Okay. Goes to the bootloader again. This time we want to lock the device. Okay, volume down and power button. Okay, now it's safe to lock the device. Okay, just type this command to lock your bootloader again. Fastboot space flashing space lock, and you will get information from the phone. Lock bootloader. If yes, volume down. If no, volume up. Okay, we want to lock, so let's press the volume down. And it's finished. Okay, let's switch again. Now let's reboot the phone again. Just type fastboot space reboot. Okay, I will tell you for the third time. Make sure that the stock, the recovery already replaced with the stock recovery. Okay, if you're still in the custom recovery, relocking your device will make your phone break. Okay, so don't tell me that I haven't give you a warning. Okay, guys. Wait. Okay, after this one, I don't want to go to the home screen. I just want to reboot the phone so you will notice the difference. As you know, after we unlock the device, when the phone restarted, there will be a error message right here. Okay, but if the phone condition is in the lock bootloader, there will no error message. Okay. Hmm. Here we go. The Android is it again. Okay. Okay, it takes time to the home screen. I just want to restart the phone again, so we will know the difference. And here we go. We don't see any warning sign. The white text warning, your phone has been unlocked. Okay, means that we have successfully relocked our device. Okay, so if you want to unlock again, you need the APK. Okay. So that's all, guys. This is a tutorial on how to place your phone into the stock ROM and also relock your bootloader on the Realme Phone. Okay, in this tutorial, we're using the Realme C11, and basically you can use the same on other Realme Phone. Okay, if you like this video, please give it a thumb, and also have a lot of video about custom ROM, root, and etc. Especially Xiaomi, Samsung, and Realme Phone. Okay, please check the video. Maybe some of the video will be useful for you. And if you subscribe, it will make me excited to make a new video. Okay, guys. So stay healthy, take care, and wassalamualaikum.